Now, Alfredo, to the ignorant like myself, what is a sacristy?
What's a sacristy? Is this where priests worship or something?
I think that's where they keep their vestments and whatever.
Oh, okay. So it's where the priests keep their stuff in the back.
This is beautiful. Paintings go all up. Oh, beautiful window. I feel like I'm in heaven. This is beautiful. What is it?
Like a font, where they, a basin where they wash